Let's talk about the Ugreen NAS RAID setup. The idea is to use hard drives with redundancy. Basically, I just need to insert all of them here, come to my computer, logging into the Ugreen NAS and do the setup. So here I have 4 hard drives. There are the same model. See here, this is a Western Digital with 2 terabytes. That's the capacity. And here's the speed. It's a SATA drive with 6 gigabits per second. Here's the model. I'll leave the link here in the description, okay? And it's a NAS-ware hard drive. So basically, I can just insert here on my Ugreen NAS, just like so. And then I have the first one available. Then I can do this with the second one as well. Let me just show something important here as well. You can easily remove the hard drive from here by just releasing it. I don't need to use any tool, you see? Pretty easy and pretty fast. So it comes like this. When you buy the hard drive, just insert here and you press like so, and you're good to go. No tools necessary, right? Then I just need to insert the second one here as well, like so. Then it comes the third one and the last one. Okay, it comes also with the tool that I can just lock this in place. I can just remove, I can put this in place, and I can lock using here this part, right? Let me just make sure that I have all of them well connected. There we go. And I can use something like this to lock it in place. You see it? Or I can use the tool that comes with the device as well. So super simple. Now I just need to come here and log into the NAS. And come here to storage and take a look at the disks. You see that I have 4 unused hard drives. Number 1 is here. I can see the temperature for which one of them. And here on storage, I can just create a new volume. I don't have any one yet. Let me just take a look here at the hard drives. So see number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Temperature, each one with 1.8 terabytes. That's the different way to calculate the storage, but you know that's a 2 terabyte hard drive. Then I come here to storage and I can create a new pool. You see that I can just select my hard drives. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're all the same model, the same size, so I can have different options here for RAID. Basic, you see that requires just 1 hard drive. I'm not gonna use this. I have JBOD, just a bunch of disks, right? I can use a total of 7.2 terabytes. So I have no redundancy here. I'm not gonna use this one. And there's the option for RAID 0. You see here that I need at least 2 hard drives. And here's the information, data protection. I don't have it, but I can use 7.2 terabytes, meaning all the space available on the hard drive, but without data protection. That's not a good idea, right? That's why you're using a RAID system, because you can have protection. With RAID 1, you're gonna have like most of the space used for data protection. Not good as well. I don't recommend this one. You see here, 1 terabyte. You're going to be available here just a little bit, right? Then comes RAID 5, which is recommended by Ugreen. And this one, you need to have at least 3 hard drives, right? I have 4, and I'm gonna use this 5.4 for data. And there's this data protection here as well. And then I have RAID 6, you see here, half, and then RAID 10. Here, see the information also for the data protection and the system usage. I'm gonna come here with the RAID 5 and just hit next. And there's the result. I can just have the system named as volume 1 with the ext4 as the file system. hit next, and I'm gonna have this pool here. So storage pool with 5.4 terabytes available for usage, and I have the redundancy, right? So volume number 1, I just hit create, and here I have the information. It's going to format the hard drive. All data in hard drive 1, 2, 3, and 4 will be deleted. So if I want to continue, I just need to hit format. So I'm good to go here. I need to insert my password to validate here the changes. So let me just confirm. And now it's creating the storage pool. It's gonna take some time, and I'm gonna have a RAID 5 available, right? See here, created storage pool successfully, and it's creating the volume. And I can hear here the disks working, and I also can see the LED flashing, right? The LED for each hard drive flashing, which means it's creating the volume right now. So now I just need to wait, and I'm gonna have a total of 5.4 terabytes available with redundancy. If one disk fails, I can just replace it, right? And I'm good to go. So basically the idea is to use the 4 drives as one single volume. It's like a big hard drive with redundancy. One fails, I can just replace, put the other one, and it's going to rebuild the RAID volume, right? So see here that I have volume 1, it's normal, and I'm using all the hard drive here for storage pool number 1. Now I can just come here after the RAIDs, it's good, and come here to files and start using it, right? I can just create folders here and move my files, and I have my RAID system working. I can also use the surveillance center for recording. See here that I have this utility that I can just install here on the volume number 1. And I can use for cameras, which usually I do because I have some security cameras here that I can just install and have them recording into this Ugreen NAS with some redundancy, right? So I like that idea of have RAID working, so I can have my files safe, right? When something happens. So I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can have your Ugreen NAS working with the RAID system. So if you have some questions, just leave them here, and then later I can answer, right? I hope that helps. Subscribe, and I see you in the next one.